Well, hello there. I'm just trying to give you a little bit of an update on some of the progress on this particular thing. I've been working on building a somewhat modified quad bag setup. You can see this looks fairly familiar, at least part of it is. The rest of this structure is going to be all for strengthening up the frame, where the frame cut's going to be because here's where the axle is going to be. These are the outboard plates. I haven't bored the holes or anything yet, but these pieces, as you can see, very similar to the way the quad bag fellows did it. This will go in here and in there with the airbags installed on them. You can see over here, this is going to be the lower frame rail now, the new lower frame rail. This is just for illustration. This won't extend that far. This is a 7-inch 3/16 A50 steel, which is a 50,000 psi steel versus the A36, which was a 36,000 psi, which the original frame members were made of. The original frame was 6 inches. This is 7, also larger web, or the web is larger in this portion also. It'll also have a piece sandwiched inside it, the same material, except this nests inside this 7-inch channel. And you can see this is the way this will be. This is again where the control arm will come through. This is strengthening up the frame as the frame continues on through. Let me show you how the bogey box there we go. That's essentially how the bogey box is going to be. The bogey box has been actually dropped down. As you can see, I brought down actually 2 inches. So this will be able to get my suspension. I'll be able to ride higher in the back with no ill effects for the suspension geometry. I'll pick up a couple inches of ground clearance for the differential, which is this piece over here. Is actually this is the differential I'll be using. It's a 7 3/4 inch, a 9 3/4 inch Ford. This was used in an independent rear suspended Expedition or a Navigator. They were rated to tow 10,000 pounds. They're really robust. They're considerably stronger than the 8.8 that they put in the hot dog Mustangs and stuff. So that's a pretty tough piece of equipment there. Of course, this big chunk of aluminum and iron is a motor that's going to go in there, but that's meaning it's going to be a while. I got lots of cleaning up to do. I've pretty well gutted the inside of this guy. I got a little bit more. I haven't pulled the seats or the dash or any of that stuff out of it yet, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. I got to drop all the tanks yet, and typical GM insulation hit and miss job. So that stuff can all get updated later on, and especially after the stretch. Okay, well, I guess that's about it for today. Thank you.